From weekend projects to professional jobs, one tool changes the game. This is a leaf burrito, the revolutionary reusable yard debris bag that makes landscape maintenance faster, easier, and more sustainable. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to use it and how it handles way more than just leaves, so you can make the most out of every cleanup. First, you want to start by unfolding and unzipping your leaf burrito. Each bag is delivered completely zipped and is equipped with 5 heavy-duty YKK zippers, 1 running the length of the bag and 2 on each end. When fully unzipped, the bag lays completely flat, and you're going to want to position it out in your work area, wherever you plan to collect your debris. Once your burrito is open flat, just start loading debris directly onto it. If you're raking leaves, just rake them right on. It works great with a leaf blower too, since the mesh design lets the air pass through and not blow around. You can also dump leaves or grass clippings straight from your mower bag. And when trimming trees or hedges, simply position the leaf burrito underneath, and it'll catch everything as you work. And all that alone makes yard work easier. But here's where it gets interesting. If you think it's just for leaves, think again. It handles branches and stick piles with no problem. It's perfect for annual garden cleanouts, vines, and those overwhelming weed piles. Need to move mulch, heavy yard waste, and even timbers? Leaf burrito can handle the weight. So it handles a lot more than leaves, and that's exactly why the next step is so important. Once everything's loaded, it's time to zip it up. After you've loaded your burrito, fold the 2 long edges toward each other into the middle and zip the belly zipper. Then zip 2 of the end zippers and stand the bag up for top loading. Squash the debris down, and that makes a lot more room for additional material. Every leaf burrito is built for real-world hauling. 2 reinforced handles at each end, plus another on the back, gives you options. Carry it solo, drag it across the lawn, or team lift it when it's packed full. If you're using one of the professional landscaper versions, you'll get even more handles on the 4 corners and 2 additional on the sides. You don't always have to zip it, and you can carry it open like a fireman's blanket. Perfect for quickly relocating bulky piles of branches, brush, or material without slowing down. For residential users, now it's curbside ready. If your city offers yard waste pickup, just place the bag at the curb. No more messy and expensive single-use paper and plastic bags. If your city doesn't offer pickup, it's just as easy to haul to your local compost site or disposal area. And when it's time to unload, just unzip and release. The debris empties out in seconds. When your bags aren't being used, they fold the size of a bath towel, and it's safe to store them outside because they are UV coated. They can also easily be hosed off as needed, and unlike a garbage can, it won't hold water, which harbors mosquitoes. Leaf burritos are available in 2 sizes, 5-foot and 7-foot, but only the 5-foot bags are approved for municipal curbside emptying. And if you have a big job to do, you can zip multiple bags together using the long belly zipper, which will create a larger catch area for under trees and hedges, or even use it as a trailer cover. Each leaf burrito comes with a large writable patch, perfect for labeling with your home address, truck number, or crew name. And leaf burrito is more than a cleanup tool. It's a visible extension of your brand and sustainability goals. With custom printing options for your company logo, university seal, or sustainability hashtag, each cleanup becomes a professional, on-brand statement of environmental leadership. All leaf burrito products are proudly made in America in Charlotte, North Carolina. Designed, stitched, and assembled with care by skilled workers who believe in quality, durability, and sustainability. When you choose Leaf Burrito, you're not just investing in a smarter cleanup tool. You're supporting American manufacturing and local jobs. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, hit subscribe for more Leaf Burrito news and tips.